Hey everyone, you're on a spontaneous adventure, exploring a new city. You stumble upon a hidden gem, a quaint little shop with unique treasures. You're ready to purchase that perfect souvenir, but then reality hits. Do you have enough cash? Hook. Ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to withdraw money from your Monzo account, but weren't sure how? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to withdraw cash from your Monzo card. Building context. Monzo is a popular digital bank known for its sleek app and convenient features. While it's primarily designed for digital transactions, there are times when having physical cash is essential. Let's dive into the different methods you can use to withdraw money from your Monzo account. Method 1. ATM withdrawals. The most common and straightforward way to withdraw money from your Monzo account is through an ATM. Here's how to do it. Locate an ATM. Look for ATMs with the MasterCard or Maestro logo, as these are compatible with Monzo cards. Insert your card. Slide your Monzo card into the ATM slot. Enter your PIN. Input your 4-digit Monzo PIN. Select Withdrawal. Choose the withdrawal option from the menu. Enter the amount. Specify the amount of cash you want to withdraw. Confirm. Review your withdrawal details and confirm. Collect your cash. The ATM will dispense your cash. Remember to keep your PIN confidential and be aware of your surroundings when using ATMs. Method 2. Cashback at stores. Many stores offer a cashback service where you can withdraw a small amount of cash along with your purchase. Here's how to utilize this feature. Select your items. Choose the items you want to purchase. Pay with your Monzo card. At the checkout, swipe or tap your Monzo card. Request cashback. Inform the cashier that you'd like to withdraw cash. Specify the amount. Indicate the amount you want to withdraw. Complete the transaction. The cashback will be added to your purchase. Note that there might be a limit to the amount of cashback you can withdraw per transaction. Method 3. In-branch withdrawals, if applicable. If there's a Monzo-partnered bank or a Monzo-branded ATM near you, you might be able to withdraw cash directly from a bank branch. However, this option may vary depending on your location. Additional tips. Check your balance. Before withdrawing money, ensure you have sufficient funds in your Monzo account. Set daily limits. To protect your account, you can set daily withdrawal limits through the Monzo app. Report lost or stolen cards immediately. If your Monzo card is lost or stolen, contact Monzo customer support as soon as possible. Conclusion. Withdrawing money from your Monzo account is a simple process that can be done through ATMs, cashback at stores, or in-branch withdrawals, if applicable. By following these steps, you'll always have access to cash when you need it. End. So, the next time you find yourself in a situation where you need to withdraw cash from your Monzo account, you'll be well prepared. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.